Okay, just to finish up part E of Unit 5, a little bit better explanation of humanism. So, a group of philosophies and ethical perspectives. So it's a philosophy saying that human beings are the center of the world. So this is a big change from how people in the Middle Ages and the Dark Ages saw the world, which was theocentric, right? Centered around God, because human beings had very little control over what happened to them. Remember, life was nasty, brutish, and short. So they just were always thinking about the afterlife. Now, things are getting a little bit better, so they're starting to say that humans should do things to better their condition on Earth as well. So, two important things. Rationalism is logical thought, okay? Empiricism is physical evidence, something that is palpable, that you can touch or see, is true, right? That's how we find truth, by saying, this is a table, I can see it, I can smell it, I can touch it, right? Rationalism is for things that we can't necessarily see, but that we can prove through logical thought. For example, the great geometric proofs of this time, like the Pythagorean theorem, right? The sum of the angles of a triangle always equals 180 degrees, things like that. So, they are made through logical proofs based on one axiom that you then deduce the next step, the next step, the next step, until you arrive at a logical conclusion. Instead of measuring all the angles of all the triangles that have ever existed, you have a logical proof that works for all of the triangles. Okay? This new thought, or this new way of thinking, leads the way to the Renaissance, what you guys call the Renacimiento. Renaissance, again we use the French word, means rebirth of classical culture. Okay? And it helps also bring Europe into the modern age. Okay, two more things that help bring us out of this crisis is that Gutenberg invents the printing press, making books cheaper and more available. We'll see that in the next unit, that this also brings about the Protestant Reformation. And innovations in navigation bring new geographical discoveries. So, we obviously discover America, which opens up the world to lots of people and new things. This is the end of the 15th century. Medieval society becomes officially the early modern age. So, the Middle Ages are over in 1453 or 1492, depending on who you ask. Basically, sometime in the 15th century, we close the book of the Middle Ages and we start the modern age. Okay?